Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we will be doing a plank challenge. All you will need is the floor beneath you. Let's get to it. Setting the timer. Starting off. Let's begin with your hands further out in front of you, so not directly under the shoulders. Pressing into your tippy toes, into your fingertips. Your fingers are wide. So pressing into the fingertips to take some of the weight out of your wrists. Knitting the ribs in, belly button to your spine. Zipping the inner thighs together, then coming down onto the forearms. Forearm plank, shoulders stacked over the elbows. Keep gazing between your hands. Direct a line from the crown of your head to your heels. Almost there. Side forearm plank. Keep your right arm down. The left hand can reach to the sky or left hand to left hip. Keep pressing your hips up. Still engaging the core. You're almost there. Keep breathing in the nose, out of the nose, building heat. Forearm plank and onto the opposite side, left hand down, right hand, right hip. So close. Keep pressing your hips high. And then gently forearm plank to your high plank, coming up onto the hands, shoulders stacked over the wrists. Keep gazing between your hands. You got this, you're almost there. Keep pressing into your tippy toes. And then bringing the knees, hovering 1 inch off of the earth, bending the knees, beast pose. For 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, and you're done. Great job. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Flow with Sky. I hope you enjoyed this ab workout. Catch you next week. Bye.